Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all of you. Hope I am audible to you all. आवाज आ रही है? Very good afternoon अंजलि and others. Okay, तो आप एक बार पुतिन very good afternoon. हाँ, आवाज आ रही है इसका मतलब. So I think this is actually the English channel, so we should continue only in English. Okay, very good afternoon Priyansh. Yes. So we'll continue only in English. Okay, no other languages. So let us today go for the revision part of the complete aptitude. So we'll be picking up the topics and we'll be discussing some of the basics of it and the question. So here you can see directly that they have given you from the question will understand the concept. Means we'll be discussing few questions randomly from the topic. It is not from one topic, from the different topic we'll pick the question and we'll discuss in the today's session. Very good afternoon Dimensions, Pranav. Very good afternoon Priyansh. Okay, so let us start with, let me tell you the group what we are having, the team what we are having. This team you can see on the screen, they are working day and night to make you reach to your success. I mean to accelerate your preparation. So my dear friend, we are there to help you out in all the ways. Whatever the subject doubts you have, that is in the technical as well as non-technical. So here you can see our mechanical team. Further, Rohit, very good afternoon. Amit, good afternoon. Definitely Putin, something new. Okay, so something new. We have this team again, one more new team. Putin. अच्छा, last revision से अलग. I cannot speak in Hindi now. I have to speak in English. So anyhow, here we have the team that is electronical and electrical team. And further we have even the team Drona, that is the my dear friend computer science IT team. Then we have civil team. So moving further to the questions directly. Very good afternoon Shivam. Okay, so let us move further. So here you can see one question on the screen, and these all questions are not your previous questions whatever you have attended. Every question is different. You know very well every question is different. You must have attended some of the questions, some of the revision part in the main channel, that is Wallah main channel. There also we have discussed the question. Here these questions will be completely different from that. So here you can see on the screen there is a question and they have given the 4 options over here. So Rohit uses a weighing balance with one pan heavier than the other. So 2 pans will be there in the balance, common balance. If we talk about common balance, there are 2 pans. Okay, normally both the pans will be equal. But here what the Rohit is doing, Rohit uses a weighing balance with one pan heavier than the other. So one is heavy than the other. Okay, moving further, cleverly while purchasing the goods, Rohit places 500 grams on the heavier side. But while selling the same item, same product, he puts the 500 grams on the lighter side. So he is doing this changing over here. That is the thing what he is doing to gain the profit or loss, whatever it may be. He decided to sell the goods at the cost price. So he decided that he will sell the goods as the cost price and gets an overall gain of 50%. So overall he should get 50% profit. Gain is actually the profit. Rohit is saying my name is on the board. Okay. So find the difference of the weight of the 2 pans of that. It is not 2 of, it is single of that weighing balance. So we have to find the difference between the weight. Actually both should be equal weight, but here there is a difference. One is heavier than the other. So we have to find how much heavier it is. So what is the difference that we have to find? Okay. So can anyone tell me which one will be the answer? Till the time I was explaining the question, did you reach to any answer? Priyansh is to B, that is 175 grams. Very good. Others? Okay, let us understand. See, here 2 weighing balances there. Okay, one is heavier than the other. Rohit is also getting 175 grams. Is it so? Anjali as well B 175, Putin as well B 175, Amit as well B 175. One is heavier than the other. Okay. Now let's say actually both should be equal, but this part left hand side is X grams more. I am taking X grams more. Now what is happening while purchasing? When he is purchasing the good, the trader is purchasing the good, Maybe he must be purchasing from wholesaler or distributor. When he is purchasing, what he is doing actually is, here's what they are saying. While purchasing the good, Rohit places 500 on the heavier side. Means here he will place that 500 weight, and whatever here it will come, the product, all he will take. So he will be getting the return for 500 plus X, because he is getting this much quantity. Okay, but he has invested only for 500. So what he has invested, that is the cost price. What return he is getting, that is the selling price. Got it? Again multiplication, because further he has to sell this. Now while selling, what he is doing, instead of keeping 500 here, 500 he keep on the lighter side. Lighter side means this side he keeps that 500 weight. Now obviously customer will be taking whatever the product is kept here. So here the product kept will be less than 500. How much less than 500? X less. So customer will be paying him for 500, but how much he is giving to the customer? 500 minus X. His investment is for 500 minus X, but customer is paying him for 500. So he is getting the return for 500. So return is the selling price, investment is the cost price. That's it. SP by CP concept. And overall he is getting how much? 50% profit. So this value should be equal to 1.5. Right? Clear? Now let us sort it out. If I am not wrong, 500 get cancelled. So this can be written as 500 plus X divided by 500 minus X is equal to 1.5, or you can even write this as 500 into 1.5. 15 5s are 75. It will become 750 minus 1.5x is equal to 500 plus X is equal to 500 plus X. So this can be written, or 750, this 500 comes this side, it will be subtracted. So it will become 250. Am I right? And 1.5x goes that side, it will be plus. So it will be equal to 2.5x. Am I right? Further, X value will be what? X value will be 250 divided by 2.5. If you remove this decimal, if you go for into 10, this can be written as 2500 by 250. So 2500 by 250, if you cancel, you will be getting 100 gram. So X is actually the 100 grams, which is given in option D over here. So my dear friends, you all have done the mistake by selecting the option B. I am extremely sorry to say that, but the answer is not 175 grams. Answer is 100 grams. Very first question, if you are doing the mistake, how about the other questions? Come on. Now Anjali got 100, Priyansh got 100. Now remaining everyone, is it clear to you? Anyone having the doubt in this equation, you can ask me. Come on. Answer should not be 175. Answer should be 100. 100 grams, it will be heavier. Is it clear? Just mention in the chat, is it clear or not? Waiting for your reply. Clear? Very good, Rohit. Others? Yes, Priyansh. Okay. So shall we go to the next question? Amit, Anjali, everyone. Good. Let us go to the next question. So overall profit and loss, it totally depends on, we have to write SP by CP. But while writing SP by CP, we should be very careful. SP is actually what return they are getting, and CP is actually what investment they are doing. So how to do that? You have to understand that very part, and all those whatever SP by CP are there, different thing, all will be multiplied. The reason why it is multiplied, because within that one more thing, in English we call of that. So that is the reason. Of means multiplication, so we use multiplication in the middle. So this was one question from profit and loss. Let us go to the next question. Next question on your screen is this. So this question belongs from average, because the word itself started average. So the average marks of a group of 6 boys is 60. So 6 boys are there. Their average marks is 60. Average means equal distribution, as I said you. If 3 more boys whose average marks is equal to the marks of the topper among the first 6 boys join the group. So another 3 people also joining the group. Now already 6 were there. More 3 people means it will become 9 people. So when another 3 people are joining the group, those 3 people who are joining the group, those 3 people are having the average which is equal to the marks of the topper of the first 6. Now the overall average increases by 4. When these 3 people join, overall average increases by 4. Means earlier whatever average was there, now it increased by 4. Now the average became, instead of 60, earlier average was 60, now it will become 64. Now what they are asking, how much does the topper among the first 6 boys get? What is that topper marks? That is what we have to find. Those 3 boys were having the average same like the topper of the first 6. So what is those 3 people average marks, or else what is the topper marks? Both will be same. So can anyone tell me the answer? Come on, waiting for your reply. See, wrong or right, don't worry. You have to give the answer, because once you try it, let me tell you, even though if you are getting a wrong answer, you'll understand up till this step I was correct. Here I have done the mistake. Or if you want me to explain directly, I can explain. You can mention that in the chat. I'll explain directly. Amit, Anjali, Priyansh, Rohit, Lucky, Putin, others. Waiting for your answer. Dimension is getting 72 is the marks scored by the topper. Krish is saying to explain. Definitely, Krish. I'll explain. Rohan is also getting 72. Okay. Your name is somewhat funny. Okay. Memories. Some memories. It is again 72. Priyansh is saying option D. That is 90. Anjali is saying 85. That is option A. Lucky is saying option A. That is 85. Pramit is saying 72. That is option B. Okay. Very good. So answer is A, B, C, D. I agree. Yeah, Amit is saying A. Very good. Very good. Superb. Well tried. Let us understand. Let us understand. My dear friend, you want me to explain without any formula, because formulas will be written in the books, and you know very well that we people are actually going in aptitude many cases without formula, just the logical approach, just by understanding the concept. So understanding the concept, what is the meaning of average? I said average means equal distribution. Oh, very good, very good. Average means equal distribution. Am I right? Now, equal distribution. Let us understand. Earlier 6 boys was there. Their average is 60. Okay? Yes, Anjali, equal distribution. Yes, Priyansh. I am saying without formula. Equal distribution. 6 boys, their average is 60. Means everyone is having 60, 60, 60. 3 more boys join. Now, my dear friends, see the group. Already we were having 6 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more are joining. So, can we make a group of 3 people? So, this is one group, this is second group. Means this 6 people as 2 groups, and the third group of 3 is joining. This is A and B 2 groups, and the joining group is C. See, I have made it as 3 groups. So, let us consider these groups as one person. Like these 3 are A and these 3 are B. So, A and B is having the average of, they have given 60. 2 people are there, their average is 60. Third person C is joining. Consider third is also coming with 60. Third person is coming with 60. We don't know that third person what is the average. We don't know the age. That is what we have to find. We don't know that. But let us consider that third person also comes with 60. Do you think the average of the group will change? Obviously no. If third person is also joining with 60, means all will remain as 60, 60, 60, all the 3 people. But when the third person joined, average increased by 4. Average increased by 4 means everyone increased by 4, 4, 4. How many people? 3 people increased by 4, 4, 4. So 4 3s are 12. So 12 more it brought. From where? From 60. So this person came with 60 plus 12, that is 72. So this third person came with 72 and joined the group. So these 3 people, their average was 72, and these 3 people average itself was the topper marks. So answer is 72. Clear? Everyone, just mention that without formula. See, formulas you can find in the books, this equation, making that equation, again multiplying average is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. No need. Just you can make it if you understand. Clear? Yes, Anjali, clear. Others? Total 6 people divided into 2 groups. Sir, I did 9 4 and added to 60. 9 4s and added to 60. Remember, Priyansh, what mistake you have done actually. These 3 people each were, here you are taking all the 3 people as 1 people, and then you are calling about 9 people. So that is the mistake you are doing. Is it clear now, Priyansh? Kirish is saying once again, sir, if you can. Definitely. I can. Once again, Amit, very good. See, let us understand. 6 people are there. 3 people are joining. So, because 3 people are joining, what I did, I made the group, this 6 people also as 3, 3. 2 groups and a third group is joining. So, 3, 3, 3. Is it clear? 3 groups I made, A, B and C. These 2 were already there, 6 people, and this third group with 3 people, this is joining. Now, these 2 group were having average 60. Third person or third group is also having the average 60. Then all the 3 total it will be 60, 60, 60, equal distribution. Yes, Priyansh, it is clear. Very good. Now, Krish and Amit, I am saying this part is clear. Krish and Amit, why I made the group of 3, 3? Already 6 people were there. I made it as 2 groups because another group 3 with 3 is joining. So this is 2 group, this is third group. Okay. Now, these 2 groups, group from now I'll call as man. Group will be now called as man. These 2 men were having the average of 60. Means both were having 60, 60. Now a third man, C will be called now, group will be called as man. Third man is joining. See, 2 people are standing here. They are having average 60. A third person is coming and joining our group. So if that third person also comes with 60, obviously all the 3 will be having 60, 60, 60, means average will remain as 60. But when the third person came, average increased by 4. It means third person came with more than 50, more than 60, sorry, more than 60. How much more than 60? As the third person came, all the 3 people increased 4, 4, 4. So when 3 people are increasing 4, 4, 4 means 4 3s are 12. 12 more he is bringing. Whatever more he will bring, he will distribute to everyone. If he bring less, he will snatch from everyone. So 4 more he is bringing. 4, 4, 4. 3 people, for 3 people, even for him. So 12 more. Means in 60, 12 more. Extra whatever he will bring, that will be distributed in all, and then only we will call it as average. So he brought 60 plus 12, that is 72. Now is it clear, Krish, Amit and others? So these 3 people average was 70 and these 3 people average and the topper marks both were same. It is already given in the question. Wow, very good. Superb. Krish, Anjali, everyone. Good. Let us go to the next question. So average part is main the equal distribution. No doubt you can use the formula sum of observation by number of observation, and remember one thing, average speed is different. There you cannot use sum of observation by number of observation. Lucky, clear, very good. Amit, clear, very good. Now, sum of observation by number of observation we cannot use in the case of average speed. Average speed means time taken should be distributed equally. After distributing the time equally, what speed is followed, that is called as average speed. So average speed, there it will differ. You cannot use the sum of observation by number of observation. No doubt for average speed you can use total distance covered by total time taken. Allah also clear. Very good. Let us go to the next question. 7 liters of pure spirit is mixed with 15 liters of spirit solution containing 12% spirit. So one side we have pure spirit, another side we are having a mixture, means spirit is also there and some other, means spirit solution it is diluted, you can say. In that diluted one, in that mixture one, 12% spirit is there. What is the concentration of the resultant solution? So if we mix both of them, the resultant solution will be having how much spirit they are asking. How much percent spirit? 30% spirit, 35% spirit, 40% spirit or 48% spirit? Think. Waiting for your reply. So as you know that in this is mixtures alligation and we do with that alligation method, or which you call it as flour method. So this is the spirit, okay, and this is the mixture which is having spirit as well as something else. Rohan is getting option C, that is 40%. Okay, let us understand. Spirit is actually 7 liters total. This is 7 liters and this mixture is actually 15 liters. Okay. Now, how much percent spirit is there in the spirit? It is 100%. how much percent spirit is there in the mixture. That is given as how much? 12%. 12%. Both we are mixing. Okay. So here we'll be getting the concentration. What we don't know, that is what we have to find, X. Okay. After that, difference both side, difference will be its ratio. Already we know in what ratio it is. What ratio we are mixing? Already we know this values. What ratio we are mixing? 7:15. So this is 7 and this is 15. That's it. Let us sort it out. Palani got option D, that is 48%. And Prashant got option C, that is 40%. Is this clear to everyone? Now, in this dearer minus mean, that is 100 minus X will give you 15, and mean minus cheaper, that is X minus 12 will give you 7. So 100 minus X, X minus 12 is equal to 15 by 7. This is the ratio I am writing, because it can be 15X, this can be 7X. So this is the ratio. So that is the reason in fraction I am writing. Let us sort it out. This can be written as 700 minus 7x is equal to 15x minus 12 into 15. If I am not wrong, it is 180. Okay. So 700, this minus 180 comes this side. It will be added. So it will become 880 is equal to minus 7x goes that side plus 7x, that is 22x. So 22 ones are 22 fours are, and this 0. So x value is equal to 40, means here it is 40%. So if you mix these two, you will get 40% spirit in that solution. Is it clear? 40% means that is option C. Yes, Anjali, Prashant, Palani, is it clear? Others, Lucky, Krish, Amit, everyone? Okay. So let us move further. Let us move to the next. So this was your mixtures and alligation part. Yes, Amit, clear, good. Yes, Lucky, Anjali, everyone, good. So let us move further. Keeping all the outlets closed. Keeping all the outlets closed, Raju finds that a cold water tap can fill the tub with water in 4 minutes 12 seconds. Oh, they are talking about a bathtub. A bathtub. Okay, so bathtub can be filled by cold water tap in 4 minutes 12 seconds. The hot water tap can fill the same tub in 5 minutes 15 seconds. I don't know, but this thing normally happens. Even I have seen hot water, that flow will be little slow. Cold water will be fast. I don't know what is the logic. You people must be knowing this fluid mechanics and all those. Why it comes so slow? I don't know that. You have to teach me that. Which one? Which one, Sven? Previous question. So you tell me the reason why it is happening. So that hot water, it will come little bit slow. The flow will be little slow. Cold water will come little fast. I don't know why it happens. Okay, anyhow. So 5 minutes 15 seconds. When we open the hot water tap, it takes to fill the tub 5 minutes 15 seconds. The tub when full gets emptied in 10 minutes 30 seconds. When if you fill the tub, okay, it can get empty. It can get empty in 10 minutes 30 seconds if only stopper is removed. Stopper is actually the part which stops the water. So the drainage part can empty it. The drain part can empty it in 10 minutes 30 seconds. A full tub it can empty in this much time. How long will it take to fill the tub if both the pipes are open and also the stopper is open? Means filling, hot, cold, and even the stopper, the drain is also open. How much time it will take to fill that tub? So this is the question. Let us sort it out. Shall I? Cold water. Let's say this is cold water is tap A. Priyansh is getting B, option B, that is 1/3 minutes. Okay, very good. And hot water, let's say this is tap B. And the empty one, the drain one, let's say this is C. Okay. So A can fill it in how much time? 4 minutes 12 seconds. 4 minutes 12 seconds. Can we write 12 seconds in minutes? So 12 seconds, that is 12 by 60 minutes. I am converting that second into minutes. 12 ones, 12, how much is 60? 5s are 60. So 4 1 by 5. If you write in improper fraction, 4 5s are 21. 21 by 5. These many minutes alone it can fill the tub. That is A. Yes, exactly, Anjali. 1 by 5. Very good. Now coming to B, which is actually the hot water. Hot water can fill it, hot water tap can fill it in 5 minutes, 15 seconds. 15 seconds, let us convert into minutes. 15 by 60, which is 5 ones, 5 fours. So let us write this in improper fraction. 5 fours are 21. 21 by 4 minutes. This many minutes it will fill. Now coming to the emptying part. Emptying part can empty it in how much time? That is C we are considering as emptying one. It can empty the complete tub in 10 minutes 30 seconds. 30 second is actually, you can directly say 30 second is half minute. Okay. So 30 half minute, or you can even write 30 by 60, you will get 1 by 2. So this in improper fraction, 10 to the 21, 21 by 2 minutes, and this is emptying. Emptying means we have to denote in negative. That is very important. All the three are working. So when all the three are working, these two will be in positive and this will be in negative. So this is the time. So per minute work of A, 5 by 21. Per minute it will be reciprocal. Per minute work of B, 4 by 21. And per minute work of C, minus 2 by 21. Why minus? Because it is emptying part, we have to denote in negative. All are working. So A per minute work 1 by 21 plus B per minute work 4 by 21 minus C per minute work 2 by 21. So LCM is no doubt all 21. Only numerator you have to add. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So it will take 1 by 3. Per minute work is 1 by 3. All together, all the three per minute work is 1 by 3. So how many minutes they will take? They will take 3 minutes to fill the tank. It is coming in positive, means they will fill the tank in 3 minutes, which is given in option C. No more further fraction. Exactly 3. Yes, Anjali. Yes, Lucky. Priyansh. Yes, Soumya. What's the doubt? Amit, you cannot understand. Which part you missed, Amit? I am there to help you out. Srujit is asking, is it for CSE? It is for all branch, not only computer science. It is for all branch. Aptitude is common in GATE for all the branches. Whether you are from computer science IT, whether you are from civil mechanical, whether you are from electrical electronics, whether you are from other branches, agriculture, any branch, aptitude is there. Even if you are from XC, aptitude is there. Soumya is saying, I came late. No worries, no worries. Please come in. So, you people are habituated of that offline classes. May I come in, sir? Sorry, I am late. No problem. Priyansh, clear? Very good, very good. Let us go to the next question. Here, the question says, yes, Anjali. Question says, if the number 25302A66B is divisible by 144, then find the value of A minus B. You have to find the value of A minus B. They are saying it is divisible by 144. Do you know divisibility rule of 144? If you have attended the numbers class, you can easily say divisibility rule for the bigger number. How we find? What is the divisibility rule of 144? Yes, Soumya. Amit, tell me, what is the divisibility rule? Priyansh, Surajit, Soumya, Lucky, Anjali, others. Come on, fast. Tell me, what is the divisibility rule of 144? What we have to do? No. It won't be 12. The number which is divisible by 12, it will be divisible by 144. We cannot say that. Because 12 to the 24. 24 is divisible by 12. But 24 is not divisible by 144. Divisibility rule of 144. Yes, exactly, Krish. Co-prime numbers. Yes, Krish. Very good. Break that in co-prime number. 144, you have to break in 2 factors. 4 3s is 12, Anjali. 4 3s is 12. Not 12. We don't want 12. We should get 144. Yes, Priyansh. Break in 144 into 2 numbers, which will be co-prime number. And multiplication of those 2 should give 144. Yes, Soumya. Co-prime number. Come on, break it. No, sir. I don't know that. Co-prime. I forgot that. Co-prime number, any 2 number whose common factor is only 1. No other factors are common. They are called as co-prime number. So how can we break this 144? No, sir, I don't know how to break it. Okay, 144, find the LCM. How you find? 2 3s is 6. Ah, very good. Anjali is writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So how can you break it? Two numbers you have to write. Only two numbers. Anjali, only two numbers. Amit, 2 into 3 is 6. But here we should get x into y is equal to 144. Yes, exactly, Soumya. It can be written as 2 power 4. How much it is? 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 3 square, that is 9. 16 and 9 are co-prime number. Am I right? 2 power 4 is 16. 3 square is 9. And 16 nines are 144. So, and 16 and 9 are co-prime number. Do you agree this? Yes, no? So, if a given number is divisible by 16 as well as by 9, then the given number is divisible by 144. That's it. So, valid should be 16 divisibility rule as well as 9 divisibility rule. Coming to 9 divisibility rule. What is 9 divisibility rule? Anyone who can help me out? 9 divisibility rule. A given number, whether it is divisible by 9 or not, how to find it out? Sum of the digits should be equal to multiple of 9. Yes, exactly, Krish. So let us add all this. 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus a, here it is given a, plus 6 plus b should be equal to a multiple of 9. Then only we can say this number is divisible by 9. Yes, exactly, Anjali. Now, so 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, it is 12. 12 plus this is again 12. So total we are getting 24. After 24, we should add something and it should become a multiple of 9. So after 24, how much more will add so that it can come a multiple of 9? In 24, how much we can add so that it will become a multiple of 9? 24, how much will add so that it will become a multiple of 9? 3 will add. Yes, very good. So I can say directly this a plus b value is 3. Am I right? Because 24 plus 3 will become 27. 27 is divisible by 9. Yes, Virat 3. Yes, Lucky 3. Amit 3. Very good. So a plus b value becomes 3. Any other number? Any other number? A plus b value, any other? Yes, Soumya 3. Any other number can be there, a plus b value? After 27, what is the next multiple? Yes, exactly. Gate aspirant. Yes, Priyansh. Yes, dimension. Exactly. 12. Yes, Amit. Yes, Anjali. Very good. It can be even 12. Because already we are having 24. 24 plus 12 becomes 36. 36 is also divisible by 9. Can we make any other number a plus b value? Any other number? Yes, Rohad. Soumya. Come on, any other number for a plus b value? 21. Yes, Virat, 21. But 21 is not possible. Do you know why? Yes, Anjali. Yes, Amit. Yes, dimension. 21. But 21 cannot be possible. Do you know why? Because, yes, Soumya, 21 cannot be possible because a and b are single digit number. Two single digit number, when you add, it won't come more than 21. Or 21, it won't come 21. See, highest single digit number is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. More than 18 we cannot make. So that is the reason this is not the pair. So this cannot be there. Is it clear to all? So either a plus b value is 3 or a plus b value should be 12. This is a plus b we got regarding 9 divisibility rule. Coming to 16 divisibility rule. 16 divisibility, yes, Priyansh, Anjali. 16 divisibility rule says that, what is 16 divisibility rule? 2 power, how much you can write for 16? 2 power 4. So for a given number, last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. Then the given number is divisible by, then the complete given number will be divisible by 16. Yes, Priyansh, last 4 digit. Okay. Now, last 4 digit, here we are taking and divisibility rule of 16 for such a big number, 6, 2 in the middle. It will be a difficult job for us. It will be a critical. So many such number we have to place a and b, this and go on. Placing from 0 to 9 all the numbers for a, 0 to 9 all the numbers for b and making a big solution. Just understand, any number which is divisible by 16 is also divisible by 4. Any number which is divisible by 16 is also divisible by 4. All 16 multiples you see, 16, 32, all multiples you can see, 48, it is also divisible by 4, means it should be divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 16, it should be divisible by 4 also. So my dear friend, 4 divisibility rule says last 2 digits should be divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. So after 6, what we can write so that it will be divisible by 4? So if you write 0 here, 60 is divisible by 4. Am I right? Yes or no? And it should be divisible by 8 also. Last 3 digit is 660 divisible by 8. 6 and B value as 0. Is 660 divisible by 8? My dear friend, 8 8s are 64. Remainder 2, it becomes 20. In 8 table, 20 won't come. So here 60 possibility is not there. So here B cannot be 0. Now next 4 multiple is 64. 6 then 4. So if we keep 4 here, 664 it will become. Let us see last 3 digit. Is it divisible by 8? For 8 we see last 3 digit. So 64 and here remainder 2. So it becomes 24. 8 3s are 24. So it means B value is definitely 4. Now if you keep 8, it won't be divisible by again 8 because 668 is not divisible by 8. So we can keep fix B value as 4. B value you got 4. A value you have to find. So you cannot keep B value 4 here because sum should be 3. So this possibility is also not there. So only possibility is there. A plus B value is 12, where B value we know it is 4. So A plus 4 is equal to 12. So what is A value? 12 minus 4, how much? It is 8. So you are having A value, you are having B value. What you have to find? A minus B. So it will be 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. So here, which is given in option D, this is the answer. Clear? Amit is saying any number which has 4 or greater than 4 digit is divisible by any number which has 4 or greater than 4 digit is divisible by 16 if only if the last 4 digit of the number is divisible by 16. So according to divisibility rule of 16, the whole number is. So divisibility rule of 16 is last 4 digit. Now we cannot consider A again. So A and B we have to keep so many values for 16. 16 multiples. In the middle we have to always keep 66 and check. It is not the sum, it is a multiple. So what we did, any number which is divisible by 16 is also divisible by 4, is also divisible by 8, is also divisible by 2. So like that we found the B value. Clear? Anjali, yes, clear. Soumya, yes, got the answer. Amit, yes. So here 2 Amits are there. One is Amit Bansal, another is Amit who is studying. Amit study. Very good, very good. So anyhow, let us clear. So shall we move further? Next question. How many 5 letters arrangement? Soumya clear, Priyansh, yes. How many 5 letters arrangement of the word triangle can be made such that NG are always together? Come on, tell me the answer. It is very simple. You people said me, sir, counting theory is very simple for all of us. So come on, tell me in the counting theory. I am not saying permutation, combination, all those. I am not saying you probability, just counting theory. With counting theory, come on. Yes, Amit Bansal. Same to you. Come on, answer, waiting for your answer. You have to use the letters of triangle. Okay? And you have to make a 5 letters word. Word should be of 5 letters. Condition is that NG should be always together. That I don't know. Soumya, that I don't know. Again, you are writing something 5C7. I don't know this combination and permutation. All those I don't know. With counting theory, try it. You tell me the answer. Here the answers are given. 480, 120, 960, 240. Okay, let us understand. See, we have to make a 5 letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letter word we have to make. Letters which we can use is T, R, I, A, N, G, L, E. But condition they have given, N and G should be always together. So, after keeping N and G, let us place first 2 digit as N and G. First 2 letters as N and G. Now leftover is only 3 letters in that word. Soumya got B, that is 120. Okay. Now leftover is only 3 letters. These 3 letters, what are the things we can keep? N and G we cannot keep because already we have kept that. What are the letters we can keep? Either T or R or I or A or L or E. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this place can be occupied in 6 different ways. And next letter, all 6 letters we can use, but already in that 1 letter is used here. Repetition cannot be allowed. So one way subtracted. So this can be occupied in 5 different ways. And here this can be occupied in obviously 6 minus already 2 letters we have written. So 6 minus 2, 4 different ways. So our answer came 6 5s are 30, 30 into 4, which is equal to 120. So 120 we got. Very good. But 120, if N and G are fixed in first 2 letters, can we keep this as GN also? We only know that N and G should be together. So instead of keeping NG, we can keep GN also. So if we keep GN, one more 120 will be there. So total it became how much? 240. Such ways you can write it. Now these 2 letters you were keeping GN or NG. You can keep these 2 letters also together. These 2 letters also, N and G or GN and together. These 2 letters also together. So how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. So 240 into, like that you can do in 4 ways. So what will be your answer? 4 4 is 16, 6, 1 here, 4 is 8, 1, 9. 960, that is given in option C over here. Yes, exactly, exactly. Very good. Very good. Many of you got 960. Good. Good. Anjali, Vivek and others. Someone else got 960 in the starting itself. Who got 960? Raise your hand. I am there, sir. Everyone will say, I said, sir. C, option C. Yes, lucky. Yes, Soumya. Avnish. Very good. Superb. Amit. Very good. Superb. Shall we go to the next question? This is clear to all. Important. N and G should be together. We can write GNN also. So 120 ways if we keep first 2 letters as NG. 120 ways if we keep first 2 letters as GN. And like that, we can keep how many ways? One first 2 letter like this. Here also 2 letters. NG. Here also 2 letters. Here also 2 letters. Clear, Amit? Clear? Soumya? Clear? Yes. Very good. Very good. What happened? Yes. Very good. So let us go to the next one. In a MCA class, MCA, Master of Computer Application. I think this is the full form of MCA. I don't know. Master of Computer Application. 60 students like C++. This is the language, computer language. So here computer science students, they must be knowing. How many of you are from computer science? So why C++? Why not C++? So it is the version. Okay, more version, it should be C+++++. Okay. So 60 students like C++, 50 students like Java and 40 students like Python. Python, oh my God, is a snake also a language? Soumya is saying me. When you are saying Soumya me, I am understanding that ME is mechanical engineer. Yes, Soumya said first CSC, then she said ME. So she is from computer science, again from mechanical. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Okay, so let us understand. Also 35 like C++ and Java, 35 students like Java and Python, 40 students like Python and C++. Find the number of students who like at least one among these 3. At least one. At least one. We have to find how many number of students who like at least one of these. So what is your answer? Yes, CSC, exactly. Yeah, Rohit. No, mechanical is actually very vast. I think mechanical syllabus is very vast. Regarding this gate syllabus only, if I see mechanical and civil, the syllabus is very vast. Next you can say is your electronics, electrical. Computer science is very small. No doubt. Toughness level will be, every branch will be having their own. Amit is saying I am from XC, very good. For XC, I have designed a special questions, Amit. Okay, come on, answer. Waiting for your answers. Oh, really, Rohit? Anjali is from electrical. Come on, branches, not the branches. Answer me what is the answer of this question, not your branches. Okay, let us understand. We can do this with which topic? Come on, tell me which topic we have to use here. Profit and loss, averages, percentages. Which topic? Problem solving, blood relation, Venn diagram. Yes, Vivek. Yes, Vivek. So Avnish got the answer, that is option B 60. Even Amit got the answer. Amit study got the answer, option 60. And Priyansh is saying we have to use Venn diagram. Anjali is also saying Venn diagram. Mohit is getting the answer as 80, that is option A. And Rohit saying Venn diagram we have to use. Very good, very good. Soumya is also saying Rohit got the answer 60. Okay, let us see. Venn diagram we have to use. This circle represent all those students who like C++. How many are there? 60 are there. So C++, this one, 60 should be there in this circle. This circle represent all those students who like Java. How many are there in Java? There are 50 students. Okay. And this circle represent all those students who like Python. So Python, how many are there? It is already given. Python, it is given as how many? How many are there? 40. So 40. Now, moving further, they have clearly said 35 like C++ and Java. C++ and Java means this intersection part should have 35. This complete intersection part. This part should have 35. 35 like C++ and Java means this intersection should have 35. Now, they say 35 like Java and Python. Java and Python means this intersection. This complete intersection should be having 35. Further, they say 40 students like Python and C++. Python and C++ means this intersection. This intersection should have how much total? 40. Now, my dear friend, what they are asking, find the number of students who like at least one of the given languages, that is C++, Java and Python. Now, let us understand. If you keep 40 here, I am talking about the Python circle. Listen carefully. I am talking about the Python circle. This Python circle is having total 40. And if you keep the 40 over here, what will be these two part? It will be obviously 0. Is it clear to all? This Python circle should have total 40. Already 40 is there in this intersection part, means these two part is completely 0. Is it clear to all? Now, coming to Java circle is having 50. Okay. This Java circle is having 50. And further, even you know very well that here this portion and this portion should be how much? Because if 40, if you talk about the C++ circle, total it should be 60. C++ circle should be total 60. So in that this part is 40. So what is these two? These should be obviously you can say 40 minus 60 minus 40. These two parts should be definitely 20. Am I right? Yes, Rohit. Very good. Now, let us understand further these two part as 20 we got. Here we know that this should be having total 50. They are asking for all the three. All the three, let us make this A, this is B. So we know A plus B should be equal to 40. Now we know that this intersection should be 35. And B value, if we keep 40, 5 will come here. But B value we cannot keep 40. If we talk about Java, this is 0. Let us say this is C and this is X, intersection of all. We know that B plus C. Oh, no need, my dear friend. Very simple. This circle is having total 40. So what is A plus B plus C should be there. You know that 60 plus 50, how much it is becoming? 110. But this is 60. So intersection part should have 35 of this C++ and Java only two circle if we talk. This is 60, this is 50, 110. And you know that A plus B plus C, this intersection should have 35. So if you take all this 60 plus 50, so in this 35 is there, means this part should be C value, you can easily say. How much it will be? C value will be 50 minus this 35. 50 minus 35, that is 15. So if you get C value, you can find A plus B value also. Am I right? How? A plus B plus C. We got this is 15. This should be total 50. So this B plus X should be definitely 35, which we are having. So what is A value? 60 minus this 35. 60 minus 35, how much will be getting? So this can be 40, na? 60 minus 35, this can be 15 again. So if we keep 15 here and 15 here, it is difficult for us to make it 60 again. Because in that case here it will be more than 35. So this should be again 25 if we keep 30. Okay, this if we keep 15, possibilities are there. So then 35 can come here. So B plus X value, it will come 25 plus, this is 110. 110 means intersection part is having 35. So out of 110, if we remove this 35, this total should come 15 plus, no? Where we are doing the mistake, it should come 75. Out of this, this is 15. This we cannot keep 60 completely. So I think 75 should be the answer over here, 75. Because this is cannot be 25, this should be definitely your 50. And this should become, oh, we have missed something. We have missed something. Shall I start once again? We have missed something. Okay, once again I am doing, because if I have missed means you people must have not understood, that is clear. So moving further, once again, I am removing these values. Here, C, let us remove it. 15, let us remove it. Okay. Okay. Now, important here, see, they have given you that this is 60, this is 50, this is 40. Okay, we have done that. Now, they are said intersection part of this as 35, for this also 35, for this 40. Now, you know Python is total 40, but this intersection is 40. It means these two things, let's say that this is A. So, A plus X should be equal to 40. Now, if we talk about this is 40, okay, and in this is 35. So, can we separate this with some circle? This is 50. This is 50 of Java. And here this part is intersecting, which is of 40. This is 40. So, these two should come, how much? Out of 50, 50 plus 40, 90. But in 90, this part is not there. We talk about 60 plus 50. This is as B part. So 60 plus 50 is, so B plus X will come somewhere around, B plus X will come 35. B plus X will be 35. A plus X is 40. Is this clear to all? Okay, yes. Now coming to, we know that if we add this, A plus B plus 2X is equal to 75. So A plus B value, how much it should be? A plus B value, can we find X from here? This should be total 60. This should be total 60. Out of 60, what is this value? How can we find? Anyone who can hint me? How can we find? If we remove this Python part, a plus x, x plus 0. X value we are getting here. See, if this is 0, x value we can get from here. This is 35 now. So 0 plus x is 35. So x value we know already it is 35. We know x value as 35. So we can find the a value. A value will be definitely your 40 minus 35, that is 5. B value you can say, B value is again 0. So this is also 0. So this is 35 already we know. So x value is 35. Now here leftover is, this is 35. Out of 35, you can say you got this as 35. These two are 0. So 50 minus 2 zeros. This will be 35. 50 minus 35, 15 will come here. And in this is 35. So this is a is f obviously 5. So this is 35 plus 5, 40. 60 minus 40, that is this will be coming 20. Am I right? Now is it clear? So these are the values. See what I did. X plus 0. This we know why we have written 0. X plus 0 is 35. So x value is definitely 35. So x value it is 35. So a value it will be 5 because this should be 40. B value it will be 0 because this should be 35 and that x is already 35. So we have done. Clear? Now is it clear? Yes, no? So we got the values. Now what is the question they are asking? What is the question they are asking? Find the number of students who like at least one. At least one means, at least one means more than one also is possible. So these people like only one. These people like only one. And what is the B value? It is 0. So what is this value? This is 5. So at least one means only one are these three. All the three are, if we talk about only one is 20 plus 15, which is 35. And all the three we know x value as again 35. And a value, because these are zeros, a value is 5, which is 2. So total it will be 75, which is at least one, which is given in option C. Is it clear? Amit, you are using pi r square. Soumya, it is clear. Anjali, it is clear. Rohit, clear. Amit is finding area. No need of area. The value of Venn diagram. See, this part we have wrote 0, y0, you know very well. And this is 35. Once you get x value, this becomes, b value becomes 0. This value, a becomes 5. So obviously, this in this circle total 60. Out of this 35 plus 5, that is 40 you have written. So remaining 20 come here. And in this circle total 50, out of which this is 35. And these two are zeros. So 35, how much will add? 15 will add. It will become 50. So this is 15, this is 20, this is 5 and this is 35. That's it. Remaining are zeros. Clear? Very good. So at least one is 75. Only one, if you talk about only one, there is 35. And all the three is 35. And only two you can say, that is 5. So total at least one is 75 is the answer for there. Oh, thank God. So we got it. Shall we move to the next? Rohit, Soumya, Anjali, Priyansh, clear? Yes. Chaliye, next question. A is married to B. Oh, blood relation it came. A is married to B. L is A's brother-in-law. A has two daughters. A has two daughters. There they have given full stop. What are the daughters' name? They haven't given. I is cousin of J and is brother of K. E and F are B's son-in-laws. E has two daughters and one son. F has one son and one daughter. G and H are two daughters of C. K and A share a granddaughter and grandfather relationship. D is also a member of this family. So this is the data they have given. Based on this, these are not the options. These are the questions they are asking. First question, how is C related to I? Second one, how is L related to D? Third one, how is E related to C? And fourth one, how is G related to B? So, Anjali is saying, sir, na ho paega. Yes, it is a joint family, Rohit. It's a joint family. No nightmare, nothing like that. Just it is very easy. If it is the Hindi version, I must have said you. ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? So anyhow, it is English channel. Let us continue in English. Okay. So my dear friend, moving further. Let us sort this out. I'm taking the data and sorting. We are making the family tree because it's a very big generation. According to Rohit, he is saying a very big family it is. So we'll make a family tree now. One by one, we'll understand. Okay. A is married to B. So A and B are married couple. So here married couple, A is married to B. Now, no, not Rohit. I do not. Even if I say do not, you won't believe. But I have to. I do not, but I have to. So anyhow, A is married to B and L is A's brother-in-law. A's brother-in-law. So obviously B's brother it will be. A's brother-in-law means B's brother is L. Now brother is L means this L is a male member and male member will denote in positive, female will denote in negative. Okay. So L is A's brother-in-law. So A's wife or husband, we don't know that. Wife or husband's brother. Okay. Moving further. A has two daughters. A is having two daughters. So lower generation, two daughters, both negative. Okay. We don't know who are the daughters. A has two daughters. I is cousin of J. I is cousin of J. What does it mean? It means that I and J will be in the same generation. Then only I will be cousin. J's father's, mother's, brother's son. Either father's brother's son or mother's brother's son or else mother's brother's sister. Only we know it is cousin. Cousin. It can be male, female, anything. Are you getting me? Cousin is a neutral gender. Okay. So these two are in same generation. What they are saying? I is cousin of J and is brother of K. So I is brother of K. So we got that I is definitely positive because I is brother for K. Brother for K, but here the relation is from here this side will be cousin. Okay, but these are brothers. Here the relation is brother. But generation will be same. Okay. Now I is cousin of J and is brother for K. E and F are B's son. E and F are B's son. B's son. So E and F are B's son. So A and B are married couple na. E and F are B's son. So means these people are having two more children. Okay. Two more children because they are married couple. E and F are B's son. So this is E and this is F. E and F are B's son. Son-in-laws. Oh my God. It is not son. It is son-in-laws. Son-in-laws means where is E and F? No doubt in the same generation, but they will be the husbands here. E and F. They will be the husbands. Okay, because these are the daughters for A and B. Okay, so E and F are son-in-law for B. Now, E and F are B's son-in-law. E has two daughters. E is having again two daughters. Means this couple is having two daughters and one son. And one son. So two daughters means two negative and one positive. Okay. E has two daughters and one son. F has one son. F is having means this is one more married couple. So F is having one son and one daughter. So one son and one daughter. G and H are two daughters of C. G and H are two daughters of C. Where is C? So two daughters. C cannot be here. So I think C should be here. Then E and H will come. Sorry. Who are the? G and H are two daughters for C. So C possibility is only here because here only two daughters are there. No doubt here also two daughters are there, but that is for A and B. But they are giving you the name C. So two daughters will be here. And these two daughters for C. So C is coming here and C is having two daughters. What are those two daughters' name? G and H. So this is G and this is H. G and H are two daughters of C. K and A share a granddaughter and grandfather relationship. So K and A already know, you know A is on the top. So K will be here. Daughter's daughter or son's daughter. It can be possible. So K is father in here, grandfather. Grandfather means this is positive, this is negative. Now they are saying K and A share a granddaughter and grandfather. So where can be the granddaughter now? These two daughters are finished. So here there will be the K. K and A share granddaughter and grandfather relationship. Moving further, D is also the member of this family. Where we can keep D? Now, if you talk about this part, K is brother for I. Means K and I are brothers. Am I right? So already you have written K here. So I is here. Okay. Now J is cousin. So mother or father. Okay, sorry. It will be mothers or fathers. This is grandfather. So their brothers, sisters. These are sisters. These two are sisters now. So you can say sister's son. It will be definitely cousin. So where is the cousin? I is the cousin. So I is the cousin. So J will be here. Now D will be here. This is the family tree done. Is it clear? Is it clear? No problem, no problem. Again, Jayant is asking me, sir, I am late. May I come in? Most welcome. You can come in. Clear, everyone? Yes. Now, let us go to the question what they have asked. If you see the question, how is C related to I? How is C related to I? Means I will call C as what? I will call C as what? So I's mother is D. Mother's sister. Mother's sister we call it as maternal aunt. So for this the answer will be maternal aunt. Maternal aunt. Is it clear? Moving further. Second question. How is L related to D? Means D will call L as what? D L को क्या कह के बोला? Sorry, again I am using Hindi. So D will call L as what? So how is L related to D? Where is L? L is actually, where is L? L is here. L is here. Related to D. D is here. So D is father's, sorry, D is mother's brother. Mother's brother we call it as maternal uncle. How is D related to L? For L it is, L will call D as sister's daughter. Sister's daughter as nephew na, if I am not wrong. L will call D as sister's daughter as nephew. Sorry, sister's daughter as niece. And D will call L as maternal uncle. So what they are asking? How is L related to? D will call L as maternal uncle. Maternal uncle. Okay. Next question. How is E related to C? How is E related to C? E is husband. How can they forget that? How is E related to C? C will call E as husband. So this is, answer is husband. For this the answer is husband. Next is, how is G related to B? How is G related to B? How is G related to B? So B's daughter's daughter. Daughter's daughter is granddaughter. So for this the answer will be granddaughter. So my dear friend, if you make the complete chart, the complete family tree, you can answer these questions. Only I gave you this part here on the screen so that you can understand the blood relation. If you know the relation, if you know how to make the family tree, if you know which people we can keep in the same generation, it will be done. Soumya, can't we write only uncle? Yes, we can write uncle if the given options are there. Uncle, if it is paternal way, we can use uncle directly. But if it is maternal way, we use the word maternal. Last one they are asking, how is G related to B? So B will call G as what? B will call B, where is B? B will call G as what? So for B, actually C is the daughter because B and A are married couple. So C is the daughter. Daughter's daughter. Daughter's daughter is granddaughter. How is G related to B? Means what B will call G as? B will call G as granddaughter. Mohit, what you are talking about? G is calling B as grandmother. G will call B as grandmother. But they are asking, how is G related to B? Means B will call G as granddaughter. Got it, Mohit? If they ask you how is B related to G, so from G you have to find the relation. But they are asking how is G related to B. Got it? Mohit? How is D related to L? How is D? This question is coming. How is D related to L? So L sister, L sisters, sister's daughter. Sister's daughter is actually niece. Sister daughter is niece. D related to L, it will be D related to L, then it will be niece. But they are asking here L related to D. Then it will be maternal uncle. If they ask D related to L, then niece. Is it clear? Mohit, clear? Pradeep, is it clear to you? How is D related to L? If they ask here D related to L, then the answer will be niece. Yes, clear. Very good. Super. So let us proceed further. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 8 friends. Oh my God. Such a big friend circle. Clear? Pretty clear. Good. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 8 friends, each with different height. So they all are having different heights. Okay. F is taller than A and D but shorter than H and B. E is taller than B and is second to the tallest. G is shorter than D but taller than A. H ranks 4th from the top according to the height. Which of the following pairs of friends are pair of the tallest and shortest? Means who is tallest and who is shortest? According to the option you have to find who is the tallest. One person should be tallest, another should be shortest. So you have to arrange this and you have to find it out. Let us arrange. Shall I? Are you there, everyone? Or you are trying? Yes. Soumya is saying present, sir. Remaining absent? Mohit, Pradeep, Anjali, others. Okay, okay. Let us understand. Priyansh is saying trying. Well. You can try. Yes, Pradeep, come on. Shall I move from the screen? I'll come aside this much place so that you can see. Okay. So I am explaining. You have tried, I know very well, but the thing is that we have less time. Let us go with the explanation. If you get the answer, you can say the option. Anjali says it is option C, that is H and F. Mohit is saying H and G, that is option D. Okay, let us understand. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 8 friends, each with different height. F is taller than A. Taller will write up, shorter will write down. Like in the previous question, blood relation, family tree, what we were doing. Elders we are writing up, youngest we are writing down. Here tallest will write up, shorter will write down. This concept always will keep in our mind. Oh, thank you, Amit. Soumya and Amit got B, which is A and C. Okay, let's see. Okay, so my dear friend, here what they are saying, F is taller than A, so taller up. F is taller than A and D, so A and D should be shorter. We don't know the relation between A and D, we only know F is taller among them. So F is taller than A and D but shorter than H and B, so H and B will be more up. We don't know the relation in between H and B, we know only the relation that F is shorter than these two people. Now we completed up till here. E is taller than B, E is taller than B, so E should be up, B should be down. E is taller than B and is second to the tallest. So here you got second to the tallest, means 1. How many are there up till H? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. We have to keep this 8 people, and they are clearly saying that H, no, not H, E is taller than B and is second to the tallest. Means where is E? Here is E. Second to the tallest. Okay. So E is here. E is taller than B and second tallest they have given. Further they say H ranks fourth from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. H is here. H ranks 4 from the top according to their height. Now let us understand, if H is on the top, below H what should come? F should come, A should come, D should come. F, A, D. One more person will be left over. Below E there should be B. So B, if we keep here, B we can keep even here. H and B should be on the topper than F. So H and B should be topper than F. So above than F, H and B should be there. So H and B, anyone can come here, but E is below E, there is B. So B is here and H is here. Is it clear? Am I right? H and B should be taller than F. Okay. So F we have to keep down because H we have kept here. So H and B are coming. No, H already we kept now. This is not correct. H and B are taller than F. F we keep here, A and D will come here. Below E there should be B. Below E there should be B. But if we keep F here, B we have to keep on the top. But below E it should come. So we have to keep H here, B here, F here. What we have missed? F is taller than A and D. F is taller than A and D. A and D. But shorter than H and B. Shorter than H and B. E is taller than B. E is taller than B and is second to the tallest. Second to the tallest. G is shorter than D. G is shorter than D. So G is shorter than D but taller than A. G is shorter than D but taller than A. So G is shorter than D but taller than A. So G will come here. G is shorter than D. D will come here. But G is taller than A. So A will come here. So what is left over? A, B, C is missing. So C will come here. C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes. So this is the arrangement according to the top to bottom. So top one is the tallest, shortest is on the bottom. So tallest and shortest, if we talk about, it is actually C and A. So C and A, which is given in option B. Yes, Soumya and Amit, you were correct. Starting you said Soumya and Amit both were saying the answer. That is correct. Yes. A and C. Yes, that is option B. Exactly. So moving further to the next. No need to match from the option. We can arrange it, but we have missed this sentence. Actually, I have missed this part. This sentence I have missed, so I got confused. Each and every sentence, if we concentrate, we can get the proper arrangement. Clear, everyone? Yes, no? Okay. So moving further, here one more. The following table gives the statistics of a class in which each student opted for maths or statistics. Vivek clear, Anjali clear, Soumya clear, Amit clear. Very good. The following table gives the statistics of a class in which each student opted for maths or statistics or both. Maths or statistics or both. Unfortunately, most of the figures have been erased. Oh, so here some data are missing, unfortunately. Okay, but you have to find that data. Unfortunately, some of the figures have been erased, but I remember some information as follows. So some information, some points I remembered. First point, 13.1/3 of the percent of the students took both maths and statistics. 13.1/3%. Just to go with the first point, what the person remembered, 13.1/3%. What does it mean? 13 threes are 39. 39 plus 1, 50/3%. percent means, can I write that percent as by 100, which becomes 300. So 50 by 300 of the students took both maths and statistics. Total number of students is 150. Out of that, 50 by 300 should take maths and statistics both. Okay, so 50 by 300 of 150. So 150 ones are, 150 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 25s are. So for this part, it is 25. Who is taking 25? Both maths and statistics. So both maths and statistics, here it should come 25. Am I right? Once again, 13 1 by 3% of the student took both maths and statistics. So students, they are talking about total number of students. It should come 13 1 by 3%. 13 3s are 39. 1, it is not 50, it is 40. Oh my God. Again the calculation mistake. It should not be 50. 13 3s are 39. 1, 40 by 3%. So percent becomes by 100, that is 3 into 100, 300 of 150. This should be the thing over there. So my dear friend, if I am not wrong, 150 ones are, 150 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 20s are. So here it should be 20 people. For this point we got, it is 20. Clear? Yes, exactly, Mohit. Yes, moving to the second point. Second point, if we see, 40% of the students were females. 40% of 150. 40% of 150, can I say 4 by 10 of 150? 40% means 40 by 100. 0 0 cancel. So 4 by 10 of 150 can be written as 15 4s are 60. So there are 60 female students. Total female students are here, which is 60. Here you got 60. Now this total should 150. Out of 150 students, 60 are female. So how many males are there? 90 males will be there. So this you got. Now you know very well, here they are saying none of the females took both maths and statistics. None of the females took both maths and statistics. So none of the female took both maths and statistics. So here no female will come. In female, both, no one will come. So can you say this one, how much it will be? Here both male will be total 20, because you know 20 it is here. Now moving further, here you should know total it should be 150, out of which 70 plus 20, 90 you have already written. So what will come here? 150 minus this 90. So it will be 60 will be coming here. No. 150 minus 90, how much it will be coming? 150 minus 90, yes, 60 will be coming here. 60, 20 is 80, 80 plus 70, 150. Am I right? Yes. Now, you know that this total, it should be 60. Already 50 is there. So 10 will be coming here. You know this total should be 60. Already 10 is there. Here nothing is there. 0 is there. So this will be 50. You know this total is 70. Already 50 you have written. So this will be 20. All the values we have written. Now we can answer the question. How many males took both maths and statistics? How many males took both maths and statistics? How many males took both maths and statistics means they are talking about this part. Let me change the color. How many males took both maths and statistics? Both maths and statistics, male, this is 20 is the answer for the first question. Moving to the second question. How many students took only mathematics? Only mathematics. Students they are talking about. So for second question, what is the answer? How many students took only mathematics? Only mathematics, that is 60. Very good. So second question, the answer is 60. So it is clear that if the points are given, you can find the values what are missing over there, and based on that they can ask you the question. Okay, so this is not from any specific topic. You can understand it, the sentence, and you can find out the values. Okay, you cannot say that this is from data interpretation or this is from logical Venn diagram, not like that. You cannot specify the topic, but if you understand the question, you can answer it very easily. Moving further, my dear friends, hope you have understood the today's session and you have enjoyed it. So my dear friend, meet you once again in the further classes. Till then, keep practicing. Be home, be safe. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you all. Thank you. Have your lunch. Come on. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Jayant, Anjali, Asif, Priyansh, and thank you the people for your active participation and trying to answer each and every question. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.